Quick question. On a scale from 1 to 11, how confident are you that you can beat what you're making in your 9 to 5 right now, working 20 hours a week from your laptop in Croatia or wherever the fuck you want? Are you crystal clear on exactly how to monetize your gifts without feeling like a sleazy used car salesman? Do you know exactly how to articulate the magic of what you offer in a way that sparks a Stripe payment notification frenzy? Is your business model aligned with your human design, or are you fighting against it every freaking day? Because if you're not a full body yes to all of these questions, I am so thrilled to introduce you to the 100K Business by Design. My name's Amanda, your favorite 4/6 self-projected projector, coming to you live from Croatia. I had my first $10,000 month within 90 days of implementing this exact system. That's because I'm a psycho and I went all in. I have a master's degree in positive coaching psychology. I'm a 6 times ICF certified coach. I was in Alex Hormozi's private mastermind last year, the Skool 100, one of 100 people chosen out of over 5,000 applicants. And I am an official Skool ambassador right now, getting paid to promote the Skool platform. My clients, like my client Jessica, she went from no recurring revenue to 65 paid clients in $22,000 days within 90 days of implementing this.
I started working with Amanda 2 months ago, and since we started working together, I hit $22,000 months. I manifested over 65 paying clients in my business in 2 weeks. Fucking mind blown. Amanda, thank you so much for your coaching, your support, your tools, your resources. You have literally helped me take my business to the next level. Like, I am so fucking grateful. Thank you, Amanda.
Kiana closed 2 4-figure clients in 3 weeks.
Oh, excuse me. I am just basking in the celebration that my Skool community has made multiple 4 figures in less than 30 days due to the work that I got to do with Amanda. And I am just so elated because my business felt so draining. It felt like there were just all of these unnecessary moving pieces, and working with Amanda, even in just such a short amount of time, simplified everything. It allowed me to stop having to spend so much time on the back end of my business and allow me to be in the front end, to create community, to nurture these people, so that saying yes to my offers was so much easier for them. I do not regret at all spending any amount of time with Amanda building a business that feels so freeing.
Amanda went from no sales for 2 months to 4 $10,000 paid in full within 5 weeks of implementing this system. This is for the women who would have been burned at the stake in 1692, who now know they are destined to be filthy rich internet celebrities. You're either already successful, you just want to take what you're doing right now at a 7 out of 10 and bring it to an 11 out of 10. You're brand new, you have no idea where to start, you just want to make sure you get the foundation right and in place from the beginning. Or you might be making some money right now, you love what you do and serving your clients, you want it to be consistent. The reason most people never reach a $10,000 month or a 6-figure year is almost everyone trying to achieve $10,000 months is doing this. Number one is they're creating content before they consider monetization. You can spend months and years creating content and not make a single dollar. And I call it broke influencer syndrome, because followers do not equal sales. And if you can build this whole audience of people before you have an offer, you're going to build this whole group of people who are not even interested in what it is you do. Or they're creating courses, or they want to start a membership. The issue with that is it's too hard for a beginner because to do this and make $10,000 a month, because nobody wants to buy your stuff. People don't buy your course or enroll in your membership. They buy a solution to a problem that they already have. You would need 100 separate people to buy a $100 course or a membership to reach one $10,000 month. Or they're selling one-on-one coaching. The issue with this is everyone and their mom is selling one-on-one coaching. Nobody trusts you. We're living in a trust deficit. You have to be able to show massive proof, credibility, authority for someone to believe that if they invest in this program, in themselves to work with you, that they're actually going to get the result. Then there's no real easy way to sell one-on-one coaching from a reel or a TikTok. If you do sell it, you're doing everything manually. So what's the solution? The solution is one freemium Skool community. One place where you can attract, nurture, and convert your ideal clients on demand that you can run in just a couple hours a week. Freemium means it's a free community on the front end, high ticket on the back end. This is cool. But then how do we attract the right members into our community without wasting hours and hours creating content that doesn't convert? And then once they're in the community, how do we convert free members into paid clients? Step one is we build your human design aligned content engine so that you can finally stop wondering what to post and start magnetizing your ideal clients with ease. You'll be able to create 30 days of authority boosting content that drives sales in less than an hour, all aligned with your human design, offers, ideal clients, buyer personas. Step two is we build your Skool business ecosystem. All of your offers, content, clients, community in one place so you can spend more time coaching and serving your clients and less content switching. You'll be able to run this whole thing in less than a couple hours a week. And step three is we build your 3-stream income foundation so that you can stop starting over from zero every single month. And because we're all about over delivering here, we do the most. We have some limited time bonuses for you. You're going to get your custom 100K business by design AI build out so you can finally stop guessing like what to post, offer, charge, who to speak to. You're going to get your 90-day aligned cash flow blueprint call where you're going to leave with the confidence that every single piece of your business fits together. Your message, offer, content, all aligned with one clear strategy. You're going to get the momentum mastermind experience where you're going to be able to replace overwhelm with momentum. You'll see what's working in real time from others, and you can borrow the strategy that fits with your design. You're going to get one-on-one on-demand coaching from me. You don't have to wait a week to get unstuck. It's like having your spiritual business bestie on speed dial who will actually call you on your shit and knows what she's talking about. You're going to get access to all of my current and future GPTs that have helped myself and my clients go from idea to $20,000 months every day. And a very special welcome gift from me based on your human design and zone of genius, because your next level should feel like unwrapping gifts on Christmas morning or Hanukkah, if you're like me. You really have 4 options. 1, you do nothing. Continue doing what you're doing. Stay where you are. 2, you can try to figure this out yourself. Trial and error. I'm sure you'll get there, but it takes forever and time is infinitely more valuable than money. We can always make more money. You never get your time back. You could hire someone else to pay for proximity to success stories but not get the step-by-step process to create and become your own success story. Or you can hire me. Get the energetics, the strategy, the systems, the process of building your 6-figure business by design. Because I know you're probably already doing the most because you're like me. It's not about doing more if you're working on the wrong things. It's about doing more of the right things in the right way. You know your success is inevitable. It's already destined for you, but you just want to get there faster, easier, and have way more fun. Do you remember that scale from 1 to 11? It's time to get you to an 11 out of 11, okay? So book your one-on-one business strategy session with me. We'll uncover the 2 or 3 things holding you back in your next aligned action steps to get you to the next level. I cannot wait to see you. If you've already booked your call, just jot down your questions so that we can dive right in. Mwah.